A new approach to learning. That's how the government is describing the Crystal House Foundation's education model. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was at the official opening ceremony on Friday. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Welcome to Crystal House, Jamaica.
Crystal House, Jamaica is seemingly the envy of many schools with its modern design and transformative educational approach. The new school, located at the Twickenham Park roundabout in St. Catherine, caters specifically to children of low socioeconomic backgrounds. The facility was officially opened on Friday.
Firstly, the infrastructure that is built here is impressive.
It's breathtaking. When you enter onto the compound, it really welcomes you, and when you go into the classrooms and you see the quality of the classrooms, how well behaved the children are, and so forth, it is a good feeling, one that we certainly can replicate across our education sector in terms of building design and all the amenities that are brought to bear on it for the good of our children.
Principal Tracy Anderson says the school's holistic approach to learning includes character development, healthcare, nutrition, family support, career guidance, and job placement for students. She says only kindergarten to grade 3 students are currently enrolled and will later become the school's first set of graduates.
This vision of social transformation has now found its way to Jamaica, providing impoverished children with an opportunity to obtain quality education through our shared vision at Crystal House to transform children's lives by breaking the cycle of poverty.
Tuition here is free. Books and other learning devices are also at no cost to the parents and guardians. Students are transported to and from school, also at no cost to their families. The Ministry of Education has approved the school curriculum, and students are part of all government-mandated national assessments. The ministry is lauding the Crystal House Foundation and Jamaica's CEO, Sally Porteous, for bringing the school to life.
It is education that helps to create a clear picture of everything around us, and we no longer remain in confusion about the things that we have to deal with.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.